Let's take a quick tour of the spinal cord, the main communication cable between your brain and body. If we look at the cross-section, you'll notice two types of tissue. The gray matter sits in the center and looks like a butterfly. This is where processing happens. The white matter surrounds it like a ring and acts as highways, carrying signals up to the brain and down to the body. The gray matter has two important regions called horns. The dorsal horn receives sensory information such as touch or pain coming into the spinal cord. A helpful way to remember this is dorsal horn is detect. The ventral horn sends motor commands out to your muscles. Think ventral horn is room, because this is where movement starts. An easy body-based rule is you feel with your back, you act with your belly. Dorsal means back and is sensory. Ventral means belly and is motor. Now let's follow a signal. Sensory information enters the spinal cord through the dorsal root. Along this root is a small bulge called the dorsal root ganglion, which contains the cell bodies of sensory neurons. Motor signals leave the spinal cord through the ventral root. When the dorsal and ventral roots join together, they form a spinal nerve, which carries both sensory and motor information. At the lower end of the spinal cord, it tapers into the conus medullaris. Below that, the spinal nerves extend downward like a horse's tail, known as the cauda equina. Anchoring everything in place is a thin strand called the filum terminale, which helps stabilize the spinal cord within the vertebral canal. Notice that the filum terminale is simply a fibrous extension of the pia mater. It does not contain neurofibers. Its role is stability, not signal transmission.